Hey everyone, in this quick After Effects tutorial I'll show you how to create this rotating kinetic text effect. I've already added some text. Let's animate the rotation with a wiggle expression. Wiggle in parentheses 0.5, 70. We duplicate the layer, move it below. We change the fill color to black, add a cyan stroke. Let's delete the expression, instead add this comp.layer in parentheses index-1 .transform.rotation.value at time. In parentheses, time minus 0.3. Look at the layer above and delay its rotation animation by 0.3 seconds. Then we add an expression to the scale property. var s like scale equals 100 plus in parentheses index-1 multiplied by 10, semicolon. We add an array s, s inside. Look at the layer above and increase its scale value by 10. Then we duplicate the layer a few times.